2020 VW Passat USA, new Volkswagen Passat 2020 to 2020 VW Passat redesign, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Volkswagen brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 VW Passat USA, new Volkswagen Passat 2020 to 2020 VW Passat redesign, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 VW Passat USA, new Volkswagen Passat 2020 to 2020 VW Passat redesign, new cars by. Specifications of North American, Chattanooga, Tennessee-built Volkswagen Passat will last longer than expected, according to a recent report. Volkswagen is expected to introduce a new Passat for the North American market in 2018. However, the launch date has been pushed back to coincide with the introduction of the next-generation European generation Passat, according to the VW Vortex. This delay will allow for sale on our beach to switch to the modular MQB platform, a step that will make it much lighter than the current model. 2020 Volkswagen Passat update. 2020 Volkswagen Passat is expected to be introduced to the North American market coincide with the introduction of the next-generation European spec Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is actually a mid-sized sedan that gives out the shows of what the German automobile engineering should really be, and more than the years we've witnessed it improving with just about every new model. Small and subtle styling changes were started and over the years, they've been constantly updated and improved the look of the 2020 Volkswagen Passat. 2020 VW Passat redesign and model. This model has become a beautiful sedan in many luxury car market segments that offer luxury in addition to outstanding performance. Volkswagen Passat is a sedan that displays major developments in German automotive architecture and has seen changes in new models about 2 years earlier. This car has grown to be noted for its luxurious, perfect, and high-quality appearance that appeals to nearby and international car consumers. The company has introduced a redesigned model for the 2019 Volkswagen Passat production. This is predicted by car enthusiasts. With the arrival of the new model, Volkswagen Passat 2019's corporate income has increased. The design and tactical view do not deviate much from the outgoing model. What this means is high gravity, clear enough to form a serious body collection and aggressive appearance. Steer accurate German characters. For both sides, you can see bright LEDs, which promise 15% longer. Illumination is superior to standard halogen bulbs. The design and condition of the headlights will have an impact on the dynamics. The body will provide a perfect sedan method of measurement and a choice card called alltrack. Read more, 2020 Audi Q7 facelift, changes, reviews, engine, redesign, price and release date. 2020 Volkswagen Passat interior and colors. This sedan will display a sufficient amount of the front door body and alloy rims. The company reported modifying the latest bumpers, headlights, upper grille, and front end. For that reason, buyers will see a new exterior layer and a new brand. The interior of all the Volkswagen Passat is undoubtedly predicted to never succeed. We believe the use of high-quality aluminum, CO2, and structured textile materials for leather you will see in this car. The most advanced technology is also used, such as rear perspective cameras, heated and ventilated entry seats, press to start, keyless entry and some touchscreen screens. Basic safety will return to focus which can involve an alteration assistance path, collision avoidance entry, and part influence devices, camera rear view, automatic braking, and more. 2020 VW Passat price and release date. In general, there is no permanent state for the performance of the gasoline as long as it is recognized. Even so, it is expected that the diesel engine will be the champion. The price tag is estimated not to have above €28,600 when it comes to the UK since 2020 Volkswagen Passat. Thanks.